Fine, let me solve problem number 25 here. Right, a certain distance is being covered by in 28 hours. The distance is covered, a certain distance, we don't know the distance, that is in 28 hours is going to cover by walking with a speed of 5 km per hour. They have given speed, how much they have given, that is 5 km per hour, okay, and as well as time they have given, time is equal to 28 hours. Right, now what we are supposed to find, if the speed is increased, by 2 km per hour, then how much time the same distance will be covered. First of all, we are supposed to find the distance in this first segment. Right, they have given speed is 5 km per hour and time is 28 hours. So we know the formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time, right? Speed into time. What is speed? That is 28, and what is the speed is 5, correct? 5 km per hour, this is here, and time is 28. You just multiply, you are going to get the distance. Distance covered in 28 hours at a speed of 5 km per hour is 140 km. 140 km, correct. Now in the second phase, what they have given, if the speed is increased by 2 km per hour, that is, so speed will become, so previously it is 5 km, now it is, we have increased to 2 km, this will become 7 km per hour. What they asked, then in how much time the same distance will be covered. So we need to find the time. They have already given the distance, that is we calculated, distance is equal to 140 km. Right, let us check out this. We know that is distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed, right? Distance is equal to how much? That is 140. Speed is 27. That is 7, not 27, 7. So divide it, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. The time is become 20 hours. The answer here is C. Hope you understood. Fine.